Madonna della Strada is a chapel located in Chicago, Illinois. The chapel lighting was designed by Schuler and Shook. Giulio Padota of Schuler and Shook used our line .75 product to emphasize the layered architectural tiers that define the sanctuary. The niche opening was only about 3 inches, so the .75 with the 10-degree optic was used to delineate each arch flawlessly. Notice there are no socket shadows between each fixture. Lighting designer Studio Lux was challenged with the task of backlighting the glass of the breathtaking Fiorio di Paradiso art wall at MGM Macau. By utilizing line .75, 5K high output with a 65-degree beam spread on 8-inch centers, we were able to mount the lights to the casework of the wall and successfully backlight the art with a clean and, more importantly, consistent luminous intensity throughout the entire piece. Originally, fluorescent was specified to backlight this glass, but when installing the glass, the design team realized that the power consumption was exceeding what was desired. This is when a mock-up was done to compare fluorescent versus LEDs. In the end, the LEDs made the glass look incredibly more crisp and saturated versus the fluorescent, and the overall project was reduced in terms of power consumption by 40%. The Barrier Residence was designed by Studio Lux and is located in Palm Desert, California. This 10,000 square foot home will likely land on the cover of Architectural Digest in the coming months. We shipped this project in November of 2011, and as you can see from these photos, there is indirect and direct lighting all over this entire house. The .75 product is used in every single one of these applications. There is about 1,000 linear feet of .75 in this project. In all the coves, over cabinet lighting, under cabinet lighting, and all the shelving units. It's everywhere. The resident really wanted the space to feel warm and as if the building was glowing from within. So the lighting consultant specified 2700K with an 85 CRI. The Four Seasons Resort in Maui was designed by 8G Banks out of San Francisco. The challenge with this project was that there was over 800 linear feet of 3000K .75 shipped to the job site in 2008. At that time, binning was a much more challenging effort than it is today in terms of color match and color consistency. And as you can see from these photos, the .75 is integrated into the architecture underneath benches, shelves, integrated into coves. It's everywhere in this project. It was a very successful project in that the light was meant to reveal architecture versus focusing on the light fixture itself. Here, the lighting designer, Ken Douglas, was challenged with grazing Thomas Jefferson's quote, which is inscripted under the dental molding within the memorial. The challenge was also to try to do this in such a way that you would not see socket shadows, which is a real big issue when utilizing fluorescence. The luminaires were daisy-chained and placed directly next to the stone. A 45-degree beam spread was used to graze upwards and then also capturing the dental molding.